This is a 2006 Honda Odyssey. This minivan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include heated seats, alloy wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.